An AC supply is given to resistive, inductive and capacitive elements. Supply voltage V at an angle 0, and this is resistor. The voltage drop across resistor will be same as supply voltage, and this will be current going through the resistor. So the voltage is V at an angle 0, current will be I at an angle 0. Z is total impedance R plus jX. Here X term is 0. So this is totally resistive network R at an angle 0. So V equals to I into Z. V at an angle 0, I at an angle 0, Z at an angle 0. If we take impedance triangle, total impedance Z will be R. So simply only one straight line. And from this, if we take power factor, cos phi equals to R by Z. R and Z both are equal and same. So the power factor will be unity. Sin phi will be x by 0. Here x term is 0. So this will be 0. Power factor with reference to voltage terms. VR by supply voltage. VR and supply voltage both are same. So power factor with reference to voltage terms, that is also 1, that equals to unity. And sin term, sin phi equals to Vx by V. Here Vx is 0. So sin phi will be 0. From voltage triangle, VR will be equals to Vs, that is source voltage. So this is also simply a straight line. Total power consumption P equals to Vi cos phi. Here cos phi is unity. So P will be equals to V into I. Q equals to Vi sin phi. Sin phi term is 0. So this total Q term will be 0. S equals to under root T square plus Q square. Here the Q term is 0. So simply S equals to V into I. So power triangle will be P equals to S. This is also straight line. P plus JQ. This is in rectangular form. Resistance is completely independent of frequency. If you take waveforms, this is voltage waveform and this is current waveform. Voltage and current, these two will be in phase. Both are crossing 0 at same time. So these are in phase. Supply voltage is applied across inductor. So inductor X equals to 2 pi FL. L is the inductor. XL is total reactive impedance. XL equals to 2 pi FL, which is frequency dependent and inductance value dependent. As the inductance increases, XL value will increase. As the frequency increases, XL value will also increase. Here the current lags the supply voltage by 90 degrees. This is because of pure inductance. This is supply voltage and this is current through the inductor. Current lags the supply voltage by 90 degree. So here waveform is, this is supply voltage and this is current which lags the supply voltage by 90 degree. XL equals to 2 pi FL, which is frequency dependent. So when frequency is 0, XL will be 0. That means which is equals to short circuit. When frequency is infinite, XL equals to infinite, which is equals to open circuit. As frequency increases, XL value will increase. As inductance increases, XL value will increase. This is the frequency and this is respect to XL. Frequency is increasing, XL value will also increasing. This is the inductor line. As inductor line increases, XL value will also increasing. So finally, applied voltage V at an angle 0, current will be I at an angle minus 90. Z is R plus JXL, R is 0. So finally, Z equals to XL, XL equals to 2 pi FL, XL is at an angle plus 90. P equals to I into Z, P is at an angle 0, I is at an angle minus 90, XL is at an angle plus 90. cos phi equals to r by z. Here r is 0, so this cos phi term is 0. Sin phi is equals to xl by z. Here xl value equals to z and cos phi in terms of voltages VR by V. Here VR is equals to 0, so this will be 0. Sin phi is equals to VL by V. VL will be equals to V, as the supply voltage is completely across the inductor, so VL equals to Vs. This value will be equals to 1. P is equals to Vi cos phi. Here cos phi term is 0, so total power term will be 0. Q equals to Vi sin phi. This will exist. S equals to under root P square plus Q square. Here P term is 0 completely, so S will be equals to Q. If we take triangles, impedance triangle, R is 0, XL will be equals to Z, as XL is plus 90, so this is straight line upwards. This is angle plus 90. Voltage term VL will be equals to Vs. This is also single straight line. S will be equals to Q, as P is 0, Q will be equals to S. This is also single line. S equals to P plus JQ, as the supply voltage is applied across capacitor C. XC is capacitive impedance. XC is equals to 2 pi FC inverse. XC term is also dependent on frequency and capacitance, but this total term is inversely proportional. So the frequency is 0, XC will be infinite, that is equals to open circuit. If the frequency is infinite, XC will be equals to 0, that is equals to short circuit. XC is also depends upon capacitance. As the capacitance value increases, XC value will decrease. This is the graph for C2 and this is the graph for C1. As the capacitance value is increasing, XC value is decreasing. So this is the case. As C1 increases, XC value decreases. And this is also inversely proportional to frequency. As the frequency is increasing, XC value is decreasing. Here the current is leading the supply voltage by 90 degree because of the capacitance. So this is supply voltage and this is current. Current is leading the supply voltage by 90 degree. So voltage is V at an angle 0, I is current at an angle plus 90. Total impedance Z equals to 0 minus Jx. So XC is equals to an angle minus 90. V is equals to I into Z. V at an angle 0, I at an angle plus 90, XC at an angle minus 90. So power factor cos phi equals to R by Z. Here R term is 0, so this term will be 0. Sin will be XC by Z. Here XC will be equals to Z, so this value is approximately 1. And cos phi term in terms of voltages, here there is no resistor, so VR will be 0, this term will be 0. Sin phi is equals to VC by V. VC will be equals to Vs, supply voltage, so this is equal to 1. P equals to Vi cos phi. Here the cos phi term is 0, so the total P will be 0. Q equals to Vi sin phi. This term will exist. So here S square is equals to P square plus Q square. Here P term is 0, so S will be equals to Q. We take impedance triangle. In the impedance triangle, XC will be equals to Z and this is capacitive impedance, so it is downward. Supply voltage will be equals to voltage across the capacitor and this is negative term in downwards. Total power P equals to 0 and S will be equals to Q and this is minus, as S equals to P minus JQ.